Hello student, in this session I am going to discuss how to write the name of organic compound having two or more than two different functional group. Okay, for example, this is compound which contain two functional group. Okay, either this one this also contain two functional group. Okay, in the first compound A and this one B, A contain two groups, COH group and OH group, that is carboxylic group and alcohol. Now this one contain carboxylic group and this one contain cyano group, CN. Okay, this is the cyano group. Okay, so how to write the name of this type of compound which contain two or more than two different functional group? Okay, so look here, naming of compound having two or more than two different functional group. Two or more than two different functional group. Okay, the first point is that first we find principal functional group. Principal functional group, that is main group. Okay, first we find the principal functional group. Now question is that how can we find which one is the principal functional group? Now in previous video I explained priority order of functional group or seniority table. Okay, in which functional group are arranged in priority order, which come first known as principal functional group. So all of you learn that table, that order, that is priority order or seniority table. With the help of priority order or seniority table, we can easily find which functional group are known as principal functional group. So to write the name of this compound, first we learn priority order of functional group. Okay, after this, if you learn and you find which functional group are principal functional group, then the naming of this compound are very easy. Okay, so all of you learn priority table, priority order of functional group or seniority table. Okay, here I am going to explain some example related to priority table. Okay, now when two or more than two different group are present in compound, so first you find the principal functional group, that is main group. Okay, if you find a principal functional group, then you easily write the name of organic compound. Okay, now next point related to this, that is B point, except principal functional group, other functional group considered as what? Prefix. Okay, what? Prefix. Considered as prefix. Okay, so these 2 points related to this topic. Okay, now all other rules are applied in similar way. Means first we select the longest chain, okay, numbering from that side, functional group or side chain is nearest, okay. So that now naming of substituents according to alphabetical. So these 2 points are very important. First we find the principal functional group, that is main group, okay. Now second one is except the principal functional group, other functional group considered as a prefix, okay. So going to write the name of this compound, okay. All of you know very well that in priority order the position of carboxylic acid is first. So in this case the principal functional group is carboxylic acid, PFG. You write full form, not PFG, you write principal functional group, okay. So it is principal functional group, so it is a what? Prefix. It is a prefix. Now all of you open your priority table which I sent you in the previous video and see a table in which one side a functional group, and if functional group used as prefix then there is some word. If functional group is used as suffix then there is some word, okay. So look here in this case, okay, how can we give the numbering? How can we give the number? Look here, 1, 1, 2 and 3, okay, and this one used as a prefix. So what is the name of a compound? A. The name of a compound is now OH. It is a alcohol group, but when we alcohol used as prefix then word used is hydroxy, and what is the position of hydroxy? Second. So what is the name? It is used as a prefix. So what is the sequence of writing the name of organic compound? Prefix, word root, primary suffix, then secondary suffix. So look here. So this is the prefix used as a prefix, and prefix are indicated by the position. So 2-hydroxy, okay, this is the prefix. Word root, total number of carbon 3, pro, okay, all are saturated in, but look here, propane, then oic acid, 1 oic acid. So if you write here propane 1 oic acid, then it is wrong. Why wrong? Because look here, O and E, 2 vowel never come together. That is why the name of this compound is 2-hydroxy propane. Left E or remove E, 1 oic acid. This is the wrong. Okay. Now next this one B. What is the name of B? Now look here once again, COH is present, then it is the principal functional group. So this is the PFG. So it is a cyano, acts as a prefix, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the name of that compound? The name of that compound is look here, CN. It is cyano, CN. When it used as a prefix we use cyano, and when it used as a suffix then we use nitrile. But here it is used as a prefix, so we use, look here, what is the name of B, 2-cyano, okay. Total number of carbon is butane, 1 oic acid, okay. So in this way we can write the name of organic compound having two or more than two different groups. Okay, first you find the principal functional group. Except principal functional group, all are considered as a side chain, are considered as a prefix. Okay, now all of you take the screenshot of this and note down in your copy. In next I am going to discuss some more examples. Now next example based on compound having two different functional group or more than two different functional group. Okay, look here, this one. Now look here, COOH means COH group, and look here, this is SH, this is thiol. Okay, thiol. Okay, thiol means thioalcohol. If OH is present, look here, if OH is present, then known as alcohol. Okay, and if SH is present, thioalcohol. Okay, thioalcohol. So look here, COH, it is the first position in the periodic order, so it is a principal functional group. Okay, now give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this is the thioalcohol. This is the thioalcohol function. What is the name of this functional group? Thioalcohol. Now when it used as prefix, then we use word mercapto. Okay, and when it used as a suffix, then use thiol. Okay, but here this and this one, it is used as a prefix. This used as prefix, this used as prefix, and this is the principal functional group. Okay, so what is the name of this compound? Look here, 2-methyl and 2-ethyl. So this is the methyl and this is the ethyl. It can also written as C2H5. Okay, so in alphabetical series, which one first come? E or M? So E name is 2-ethyl. Okay, 2-ethyl, 2-methyl, 2-ethyl, 2-ethyl, 2-methyl, 4 mercapto. Total number of carbon is 5. Pentane, 1 OIC acid. This is the other example based on compound having two different functional groups. So take screenshot of this and note down in your copy. Okay, now next I am going to discuss how to write the name of organic compound having functional group and multiple bond. Okay, so first you take the screenshot of this. So next part is naming of organic compound having a functional group, different functional group and multiple bonds. All of you know very well, multiple bond means either a double bond or triple bond, means simply alkene or alkyne. Okay, so look here, compounds having multiple bond and functional group. So how to write the name of this type of compound? Okay, so look here, the first point is that double bond or simply multiple bond, okay, acts as primary suffix. Okay, and written before the secondary suffix. Okay, and all of you know what is the meaning of secondary suffix? That is COH. Okay, now this first point is multiple bond acts as a primary suffix and written before the secondary suffix. Okay. Now what is the second points related to this? Okay. Now the second points is that same, that is multiple bond acts as a primary suffix and written before the secondary suffix, except PFG all considered as prefix. Here now the third point is that it is also common. Third point is also common, that is two vowel never come together. Two vowel will never come together. Okay. Now these are the points. Okay. Now all other rules as same apply also in this compound. Means first we select the longest chain and so on. Okay. Now look here how to write the name of this organic compound. Okay. So look here, which group is principal functional group? This one. This one is the principal functional group. So this and this and this are considered as prefix. Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So for this we use hydroxy and here methyl. So in alphabetical series, which word come first? H or M? H. So first, what is the name of this compound? Okay, the name of this compound is, look here, 3 hydroxy 6, 6 dimethyl. Total number of carbon is 7. Have this is important. Total number of carbon is 7. Carbon, this compound are unsaturated. That is because why? Because there is presence of double bond. So we use E. Okay. Look here, E means E and E. But look here, one oic acid. Now look here, this E and this O. Okay, now look here, this one, two vowel never come together, means we remove E from here. Means the correct name is E1 oic acid. Okay, so the name of this compound is 3-hydroxy 6, 6 dimethyl hep. Look here, this is the secondary suffix, that is PFG. Before PFG we write multiple bond as a primary suffix and written before the secondary suffix. Okay, secondary suffix means oic acid, PFG. Okay, so if you write here E and E, then one oic acid, then it is wrong. Okay, keep in your mind, two vowel never come together. Okay, so this is the topic, that is compounds having multiple bond and functional group. All of you take the screenshot of this portion and note down in your copy. Next I am going to discuss some more examples related to this topic. Now next example. Okay, so look here, in this example, okay, there are two groups. Okay, look here, this is the CHO group and look here, this is OCH2O3. All of you know very well ROR. It is ether. Okay, it is ether. Okay, it is ether. Now look here, and in priority order, first aldehyde group comes. So it is PFG Okay, so it is TFG. Okay, now give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the longest chain of carbon. Okay, so it is used as this one. This one used as what? Prefix. Okay, and in prefix it is known as alkoxy. Alkoxy. Ether known as alkoxy. Means calculate the total number of carbon. Okay, if 1 methoxy, 2 ethoxy. So it is ethoxy because there are 2 number of carbon atom. So what is the name of this compound? Look here, 5 ethoxy. 5 ethoxy. Okay, now total number of carbon is 6. So hex. Okay, now you look here in third carbon. Okay, in third carbon, the place of the position of double bond in third. The hex 3 E, not E and E, only E. 1. Okay, for aldehyde we use Al. 5 ethoxy, 3E, 1 Al. Now look here in this example, and 3 hydroxy 6, 6 dimethyl hect. One is mistake. Hect, the position of double bond is 4. So hect, correct you, hect 4 E 1 oic acid. Okay, so this is the example, and this example from your exercise. The name of this compound, in your given in your book is wrong. Okay, now so these are about the nomenclature of organic compound, simply aliphatic. Now next I am going to discuss how to write the IUPAC name of the cyclic compounds. All of you know very well what is cyclic compounds. Closed chain compounds are known as cyclic compounds. Okay, so in nomenclature only there are 2 topics are left. One is naming of cyclic compounds and another is naming of aromatic compounds, that is benzene. Okay, so in next video we will discuss the naming of cyclic compounds. So do the practice on this topic, that is nomenclature, that is IUPAC naming of organic compound. Thank you.